Hey y'all, this is just a little statue that my son and my now daughter-in-law got me for Christmas, and I'm gonna pot up this little basket that it has. It has a hole in the bottom so you can plant things in it. So we're gonna do that today. Y'all, if you've wondered why our videos that came out in the early spring were kind of wonky, it's because we had a wedding in our family and we're very busy with that. And so we're just getting around to catching up, and thankfully we're able to do that. There's not really a hard line and deadlines for gardening, even though we sometimes put them on ourselves. So anyways, I just wanted to take y'all along and let y'all see what a precious little gift I got from them and what I decided to plant in it. All right, so I'm gonna start out with this cactus mix, potting mix I'm gonna try to put in here, or I'm gonna put in here. It drains really fast, so I'm hoping it'll be perfect for this little set that I picked up at the big box store. All right, so I just got this little arrangement of succulents to put in here. I knew that I wanted something that can handle the sun and doesn't need a lot of water. So I'm hoping this is a good choice and that you can see it from far away, because I like that it had all the different colors. I thought that would help make it pop some. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plant it kind of at an angle so it'll come out more than it will be down inside of this little basket, so you can just see it more. So I'm gonna kind of pile the dirt in over the top of it on the side. I'm kind of hilling it in. And I'll just have to recheck and make sure the roots don't become exposed at any time. And I'm just going to use the mist on my watering wand so that it doesn't cause any kind of disruption of anything.